Hi, I'm Dr. Synapse. In this video, you'll learn 4 murmur sound patterns that cover most of what you hear at the bedside. You'll use a simple method: timing, shape, spot, and radiation. Let's start. Murmurs feel hard because people teach a list. Don't learn a list. Learn 4 sound patterns. Then match the pattern to where it's loudest. Here's the method. Step 1. Timing. Systolic or diastolic. Step 2. Shape, which pattern it sounds like. Step 3. Spot, where it's loudest. Step 4. Radiation, where it travels, if at all. Pattern 1 is systolic crescendo-decrescendo. It rises, peaks, and falls during systole. Think outflow pattern. If it's loudest at the base, that supports outflow territory. If it radiates toward the neck, that supports an aortic outflow pattern. You're not naming a diagnosis yet. You're naming a category. Pattern 2 is holosystolic. It starts with S1 and runs straight to S2. No rise and fall. Just steady through systole. Think regurg-style pattern as a simple label. Loudest at the apex often fits that category. Left lower sternal border can fit too. Category first, details later. Pattern 3 is a diastolic rumble. Low-pitched, rolling, longer. It can be subtle. Technique matters here. Quiet room. Use the bell if you have it. Listen in diastole on purpose. If you catch a true diastolic rumble, treat it as important. Pattern 4 is early diastolic decrescendo. It starts right after S2 and fades out. Often a soft, blowing whoosh that trails off quickly. This is easy to miss if you don't listen right after S2. So when you hear S2, stay focused on what follows. Now put it together. Timing, shape, spot, radiation. Example. Systolic plus crescendo-decrescendo plus bass loudest. Outflow category. Systolic plus holosystolic plus apex loudest. Regurg-style category. If it's diastolic, slow down. Diastolic murmurs are never nothing. Next video, I'll show you maneuvers that change murmurs on purpose. That's how you confirm what you're hearing. I'm Dr. Synapse. Comment Murmur, and I'll pin a 1-page summary. Follow for the maneuvers video.